So welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna do Tara's hair like this. This is Tara. She's my friend from school.
Hey.
Do a spin. Her head went viral.
Yeah, I was the head that had, what was it, like 80-something thousand views. Yeah.
Yeah, that was her. She has some good hair. So I did a tutorial on the feed-ins. She wanted some,
Blonde.
what is this?
I think it's like a wine.
A wine-colored hair.
Yeah, with blonde.
With blonde. So I clipped this side away, and we're going to start over here. And I'm not going to rubber band this first part, so I'm going to put it just over there. Okay, and then with my gel. So the reason I'm doing the rubber band method is because it keeps the hair tighter. It's already in the middle, and it makes the braid easy to do, and it does make the braids last longer. And here is both sides done. So first, with your right hand, you get the feed-in hair, and you put it around your thumb and your pointer finger. Then you put one of the strands with the underneath middle strand of the braid, and the other strand, you put it with the right side of the braid. So you grab the hair around your thumb and pointer, you tuck it under, braid. Don't forget to grab the client's hair, and then that's how you keep going all the way down. What's your favorite thing about being a cosmetologist, Tara?
I like making people feel good.
Alright, like
you know,
making them feel good?
Yeah, so like, you know, like whenever they come in and then you get to like do their hair how they want it,
Mm-hmm.
and then like style it and how they look pretty.
Yeah, and they look good walking out.
Yeah, like that's my favorite.
And what if they don't look good walking out?
Well, they will if they come to me.
Dang, alright, we like the confidence, girl. Yes.
I try to make everyone look pretty. Better than when they came in looking like.
When they leave looking worse than they came, that is not our. That's like, you did not do a good job.
Oh, you know who she's talking about?
Who?
Okay, it was my client.
Your
It was my client. Okay, so like, she wanted me to do her hair a certain way, so I did it. And it looked like her.
And then what did you do?
I just did what she wanted.
Oh, that's funny.
And after I did all that, I was like, "Oh, do you want me to like pick it and make it look good? You know, like blend it all in?" And she's like, "No, I'm just gonna run my hands through it."
So what did she say? She said, "I want some hot dog girls."
She did. She's like, "I want like hot dog right around here," and I was like, "Okay, ma'am, I'll try."
Did you get a picture?
Yeah, I did it for her. And then after I did it, I was like, "Ooh, I can like pick it and make it look like a wet set, you know?" I was like, "I'll make it look good." And then she's like, "No, I'm just gonna do this." And I was like, "Oh my God, lady."
And did she do that in front of you?
Yes, she did. Well, I wanted to like pick it because like you could see her scalp because her hair was really thin.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, if I pick it, then I could like hide her scalp. But no, that's not what she wanted.
That's not what she wanted. That is funny though. So is that the only client that's left your chair looking bad? That's so funny.
But that's, I mean, you gotta do what they want.
I mean, true. I bet she was sweet though.
She was nice.
Has she ever came back?
Nope.
I guess she didn't like your hot dog girls.
I don't know.
We're gonna do a little 360. Ready?
Bam.
Bam. right, so let's show Tara now because she hasn't seen yet. Are you ready
Yes.
to see yourself?
Yes.
You're so big.
I know. It looks good though.
So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.